most of our promoters and our people gankan they like demoralizing artists.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Kimalo ke diwi dano.
Timu je mine style kumicha chi wacho ke music. Kenge don ke yabo yere hala we moto. We lingo.
Cause ne mwana winyo wa pad winyo no ke wa pad culture dom po chere charo kono ngo.
Ke wacha chere charo. People funny bro. E wacha take tuo. Ina be pay me apenyo kama no ye chingo
ye.
Atiki dako malik, atiki dako malagor, malangolo. Chingo. E wachi in the way moto. So what? Pascal chao chere charo, udugo chen chingo ye. Abi chili kila butita.
Right, ajuritual imi malupu Tamibe TV luani MG the host. Yetini umtutuani atiko Maira Chelde, one of the greatest, the pioneer of the Northern Uganda industry. When you talk about the reggae, talk about dancehall, you talk about any genre, pairamo skipping, this guy might take an one camera. It didn't bro.
Atima be pama.
Afo nen.
Afo ritual.
Afo danama did.
Afo
when you luana me be ni Tamibe TV.
Be ritual.
Yeah.
In be danama did ba.
Ngeo kanini kama tao la pinyon loyo fuk chui
cerca ye nyagaja ite polora neno wang milutino beru koko lutino wang miena lutino mero ginaba ento condizione no yaman kogi kejo
ngeo that way ni
yeah
choko chunya matek to like cause I don't know you try way in part culture honestly cause that song is it's touchy.
Bro, when it was a very simple project, Mama, Washington being a Kampala culture, you first composed a song about the current situation. And it was lockdown. Yeah. So I had to record that song. Actually, when it, like for not more than 30 minutes.
Ping all each songs, less than 20-30 minutes, 1 hour.
Because you sing your heart.
From the art, from the bottom of art.
Sing what is happening, what is current, or at times people sing their past. But mostly, if you want to touch a hit song, you have to do current situations.
Like Jimmy Manuti Time.
Chawani, Chawani is what you look for. We have now the reggae festival coming. Sing about the reggae festival.
Because that is our main name. Because that is a big, massive reggae hit one.
Yeah, man. So we are still loading for more, for more good projects like that. And the problem we have with Northern Uganda here, most of our promoters and our people gankan they like demoralizing artists.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Kimalo ke diwi dano.
Timu je mine style kumicha chi wacho ke music. Kenge don ke yabo yere hala we moto we lingo. We poli halia we mucho chan meti winyene ucho en ki diwi meti yerne no
cause ne mwana winyo wa pad winyo no ke wa pad culture dom po chere charo kono ngo
ke wacha chere charo people funny bro
absolutely bro
but there's no problem
char be mero walim gi
charo in ka pingeo char no pengeo kama worri le mono ke luo ni bastard no pengeo kama worra ke ka pingeo char ni
wow
yeah but yeah we are still trying though.
Yeah.
Kari lock bedo duangeo ki mo ken kai de team ne mabe.
Come with a lot at least of negativity wango bedo tie.
Yes.
Dan ma bedo like against.
Dan weng bedo yom.
Alors adaki.
Uweko kumbete I started doing a project kilwoni so what?
Cause by the way, anano interview ni mo. Just made a chat Americos La Piano is the song mano guru kwana mater total. But my main aim also is man, interview you're releasing a songs. My wife announcing. So we need to talk about that song. So what? Because so what? Like lemon downtown me word in this way. So what? So like it take a quiet time. So what is so what?
Gonya ni chingo. So what? E wacha take it to you na be pay me apengyo kama no ye
chingo ye.
Iwachi anadoro walk agamo chene pa gamente ki London. Chingoye, it is mine. Atiki dako malik, atiki dako malagor, malangolo. Chingo. So what?
Iwachi anti promoter moto.
Chingo. Iwachi ati promoter moto. Chingo. Iwachi in the way moto. So what? You understand? Dano kimaro babbling about people. You understand?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Now, and we ma wearing, amar wear we ma work flow. What is there? Power we at
because now why the current situations.
current situation.
Jim,
So kumbede dong chingo ye. So what?
Chingo ka pat culture chere charo.
Pascal chao chere charo udugo chen chingo ye. Iwinya tiki tuo chingo. So this song is to shut people down. Yo ke kumbede go on your luak chente. Ikui luak chente. Go porok you. Chingo ye. Mi adong go dene.
Life's continue. Mi apego dene.
Nemo ke mako kila wore ke tere buit. Nyo tingo tuana limo. To mi na ngido. To mi na ngido. Sila wore penyo ke buit wa dal. Ito mama ni ngido ko ni. Itama ni ngo kumbe no ki mi maka pierde ku yarli ario luni. Ibiti mening.
To gamon. Chingo.
Chile mera tim ngoy. Anyway, not that one. That was just a joke, yeah. Yeah. So when ani kiloni so what?
Yeah. So what is the so what? My kile what you going ni chingo ni.
Chingo. Look ti do ye ma. I met a Dano win.
Briefly, we
Dano win where euni.
Kaje wa ko kong
No ka tia ko tiche. Food ye like 40%. Where at least me go or like 100%, then you unveil it out. Most of the girl them feel ask me about Zilla. The chilling is nigger and it's something bigger. Martin over Pamero Ginadia. Like the labutita bro, I hit you like with the gear. I be chilling labutita.
You know what I love from Pat culture?
Jimmy Mukene, baby when you win. What you've had is what you've had.
Guys, you know my Pat culture. The flow kira wa kai. Like kai when you michani, the girl kono.
Most of the girl them feel ask me about Zilla. The chilling is nigger and it's something bigger. Martin over Pamero Ginadia. Like the labutita bro, I hit you with it. We first leave it like that. That's the new project coming for Northern Uganda, for Gulu.
For a choli.
Kilone dancehall. Dancehall more do like Gulu. Can you weka tinama? I don't want to talk about anybody. But then.
But how? Nini?
Ogo dancehall me go cho. We pere rasta. Inge we mati ko kumbeti in Northern music kumbeti currently. Inge we man.
I don't know.
We have only 2 songs playing now.
Can you name them? Like the songs which is
Mama nyabo to talk Marco level. That one.
Yeah.
Ki
Bandman JLG.
That's the end of dancehall music in Northern
So which means
Uganda.
you're trying like dancehall artists, they're sleeping.
They're sleeping. Dancehall artists are sleeping in Northern Uganda. What are people talking about?
Chingo is going to wake them. That is what you're trying to say.
Inana kumbete ikeneko spirit paluwe ya. Spirit paluwe is completely dead. All these artists, man, they used to call themselves big artists. Kumbete ikeneko spirit gyo weng. Dana weng luo releasing we. Itame ke releasing era. Itame ke releasing era. Pini dana kuda.
Dano in luo ke nego ge kweje.
La we matero what we la we maneno dok olo jion come mano knock obedo easy gine jalo nyok diel kono timo kono ngagi.
Yeah, gene doge kiss and drink up.
Exactly. At least that is we mama olo te playing kumbeti.
So kele ka wajane Patz cause kai winyo omiano wachel man in padula boyo why Dano me ro go ward we gyo cause and maybe one obedo fire. So down when you go ward which mean this one is also killing the part of the
and papi at my can me I'm so strong. I'm a very hard
you're
artist.
Different your part culture different.
I'm here to teach. I'm here to do music. I'm not here to compete with anybody. You understand?
Yeah.
So my song is coming out in 3 days.
From now as we talk.
So what? No Caravaggio. Let them keep their projects. Me, I'm there to release mine very soon. I am so confident because I know what I do. I don't gamble my music. I be the band.
Original.
I be the band, live band for 11 years, bro. 11 years doing live band,
so
playing guitar, playing drums, singing, doing a lot of things, bro. What should I fear with these small things happening in the industry?
Nothing you can fear. I can see
brother.
absolutely nothing.
Nothing, brother. Nothing, brother. Me, I'm so confident. When I take
So,
car walk,
Pat,
so what?
because I know you're different, honestly.
Yeah.
Because I knew Ian for a very long time, even my don. So, like, what can we do? Like, because those days, okay, when hip hop, artists like hip hop and songs, man, no, gipitika ko. Right now, into way dancehall is not playing. So, what can we do, like, to stop that gap, matika, dong in Northern Uganda industry?
Pero matie, we kumbeti, udako ngalaw.
Dan to
Ano
we
ngayon?
chalo ngala yet gini.
Ngala kay ngala. Down a walk in Yaroko. Ngala down walk in Yaro. Is what we are doing right now. We are not doing serious music. Ngala, when a cock do a chilla ria deck and when Norwenyo. Do a chilla ria deck and when
Norwenyo.
Thank you for decades. We chalopa smoky, chama young. There's a lot of projects, bro. A lot of projects. Kumbeti things have changed. Where we ngala ki bolo kenyo cocky demon teroket. And fans they don't know.
So what is killing Northern Uganda industry is where we joke where we pay cocktail for decades.
Where ngala people are not writing songs. People are composing songs just like that. People are not taking their times to write songs. They don't give time for their music for their songs to mature in studios. They rush. People rush with music, bro.
Wow.
That is what is killing us right now. Kidong Lorada, our artists in Northern Uganda, you have to wake up. Wake up. Wake
Absolutely.
up. Dano nino. Luwe madongo nino. Kado ti yet. Lutini kiti yer kono ngo. Kono kiti waju kono ngo.
But for them they are sleeping.
They have to sing that because you're doing a lot of nothing. The best thing is babbling. Riyoko gamente ka chasing ko chente riyoko kono nga ka chasing chente. You don't think you can still do a lot of greater things than what you're seeing right now. You understand?
Yeah.
So I just request, bro. I am so happy today you've invited me in this session. I'm so happy. The women in Northern Uganda, they have to wake up. They are sleeping too much.
Most especially the legendary, those guys.
Legendary, under did. Ibi biru dira da. Kamuzu gidong kawachini did kibichete. How do you feel? How do you feel? It's so embarrassing.
Absolutely, so embarrassing.
It is so embarrassing. At the end of the day, the best you can do is to fight these young artists, abuse them, do this and that.
Dismantling their
There's nothing
career.
we can do. This is the only dancehall music we have. The way mateka whatever. Uchimwa culture and I'm releasing this. I ain't catches. I am waiting for that artist.
So you're ready to prove them wrong. There's dancehall artists in Northern Uganda is dying.
There is only one artist more defending Dingye. Ma wachi mendielo timo kono kono timo kono ngoni. That is the only dancehall music makumbeti. Olotiedong.
Awane olutika guako Northern Uganda.
Mano pay ki category for this upcoming artists because me I call them upcoming artists.
Yeah.
I don't want to call their names, but the upcoming artists. Yeah, not in bad faith.
Yeah.
That is the truth. And yeah, man, loga
Because at least ikirwa yato yara chako kiping.
Chako kiping. One yam chon waneno smoky gi, Bosmic gi.
Give
them respect. Why time food we still respect Smoky, Bosmic gi. But ki kind of chamo kind of dear lebi charo. That's why we also become funny with them.
Yeah,
you understand?
Yeah.
But literally, we respect them, we love them. They are our elders.
Yeah, Furiti watching Tamibe TV at Yayum Tutwani Atiki Pat Culture, the one of the baddest in Northern Uganda. When you lectures my enemy, we need to take it serious. Because but we also want to, our industry should be awake. So Pat Culture, away from that, we talk about reggae festival.
Yeah, man. That's the most wicked thing. You don't say people
On
of Northern
28th.
Uganda. That's the baddest ever event that will run in Gulu City this year.
And when you do Chilu live band, what people should expect?
This is the time I want to show people how they do live music.
Not gambling music.
This one is not CD, DJ track number 1, number 2. No. This one we are
Just
going
play
on.
Mickey. Play
we are
Mickey.
going on unplugged, live.
Just play Mickey.
Mama said that I and I this the program, not the type to mess around with our emotion. That's how we'll be going.
Yeah, man.
It's been a long time. We don't have no vibes like this. Reggae music again.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Remember
we're back then. Positivity was the message we sent. No man not pretend. The root to the stem. It used to be Gulu City Attack Center.
Woo.
Reggae Fest loading, you know, people.
28.
Gulu City. Kade King Reggae Festival.
Wow.
No, it King the most legit event ever this year. You understand? You'll come and listen to Patz Culture, Alan Smokey, David Dogo, the baddest.
The baddest ever.
I think Jaffa is also there.
Yeah,
man, big
up King Jaffa.
Yeah, that's the baddest. Posters, Kibana. Only la detail go on him, then they updated me on what's happening.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of projects we are bringing out for people on that day. Mako Chaltie, Kono Ngagi, Vulumu Chomo, Kono Timo Ngoge, Valuable, the woman talking match.
Ferine mature cattle. Because you can buy it at affordable price.
Exactly. And
let's vibe.
We have our reggae camp. More berga charge Jimmy Weng ma kwago lokum reggae.
Culture
and rastas. So you come sit with us at the campfire. You come get some. Yeah, man, some nice work we you know say.
Come on, young dong.
Yeah, man. I know there's Tiebal and Kiepebal. You know what I'm talking about,
absolutely.
You know? Yeah. You come and drink some water.
Yeah,
Don't
what is there? We have
juice,
a lot of snacks gonna be there. So Pat Culture.
Yeah.
Because like you can come and prove. You can come and prove. So what is your last word to the fans as we close this?
Me, I am just happy. I would love to invite everybody to come in large numbers. Come with friends. We vibe up.
Family.
We have a little bit of jamdong in Gulu City this time. In a very legit way. Very nice way. It's only reggae where people do not fight. It's only reggae festives where people do not quarrel. It's only peace and love. Peace and love.
That is color for peace and
unless
love.
Babylon crossover, you know, that's where we get problems. Yeah, man.
But reggae festival, maybe no one down.
It is so peaceful. We are all one. We are all one.
Come and enjoy the music.
You get your reggae attires. Reggae attire. Call me.
Yeah, you can even. I
have a set at 100,000, a full set of the short and the shirts, vests, the socks and the head socks. So just be okay that day. I want everyone to be
this one in the next program about designing. But let's make it in another podcast.
Another podcast, yes, session. Yeah, true.
So in my mirror reggae attires, make sure you drop the comment section there. Then I'll pick your number.
True.
Yeah, I'll connect you with Pat Culture.
True.
Yeah, and I'll be the host. MG, keep the legendary, the big man. Big up Pat Culture for coming.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate what
Thanks.
You're doing
we activate Reggae Fest. We make it loud. So wicked.
Pull up.
Big up on yourself. More fun.